Hey guys, so I'm going to this thing called MoonlightMass, which is a rollerblading and cycling event where just a whole bunch of people come together, cycle and rollerblade each full moon, and just skate around the streets in town. The cool part is its dress up. So I was planning on making a cool little like headgear type thing for MoonlightMass. So let's get started. All done! How cool are these? I really like how they turned out actually. So I think they turned out like super well. They're very small, but they're quite secure, so they won't really fall off. It's actually just this ear cuff type thing. If you want to contact me or follow me on anything, all the links to that are down below. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.